Make it easy to fill programs and get paid without friction with Squarespace Payments. Education and training businesses often struggle to juggle payments for various sessions and ongoing programs. You need a way to streamline those complex logistics without losing the simple, frictionless experience your clients expect. One way to improve this is by creating a smooth checkout experience, which allows people to sign up and pay in just a few steps. With Squarespace, clients can quickly move from browsing a class or program to completing their registration without confusion or delays. How you take payments can look a little different depending on how you work with your clients. Pay links offer a flexible way to collect payments from anywhere. You can create and share a link for a class, deposit, or remaining balance, making it easy for participants to pay whether you're communicating over email, text, or in person. Invoicing works well for more customized or group-based programs. For example, if you're running a private training, cohort-based program, or coordinating with a school or organization, you can send a branded invoice that clearly outlines sessions, pricing, and terms, making it easy to manage and collect payment. For in-person experiences, Tap to Pay makes checkout fast and simple. You can accept contactless payments on the spot, helping sessions start on time without delays. Deposits and payment plans make premium programs more accessible by letting clients split costs over time. A deposit secures their commitment up front, while flexible installments lower the barrier to entry and drive higher enrollment. And once that's in place, payments can start to do more for your business. Programs and classes can be sold with flexible pricing options to match how people want to commit. Packages allow participants to purchase multiple sessions at once, which helps increase upfront revenue and encourages continued engagement. Recurring payments are helpful for ongoing classes, memberships, or subscriptions, creating consistent revenue without needing to manually collect payments each time. Flexibility is key when it comes to how clients pay. Offering multiple payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, and other options, helps ensure that participants can pay in the way that is most convenient for them. When these tools work together, easy checkout, flexible payment options, and seamless in-person payments, it becomes much easier to fill programs, manage payments, and keep clients coming back. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.